Hi there, Doc Mountain here, and I want to show you how you can join my family on Taka Live. So I cannot emphasize the power of belonging to a family. I will simply point you to a family of ants. Ants are able to build hills, they're able to build mountains because of the power of teamwork. So when you belong to a family, you are likely to reap big. So here we go. Let's open Taka Live. So when you're in, you can search for me by clicking on that icon in the top right corner. And then you make sure that user is actually highlighted there. Then you punch in the ID. So my ID is 522110372. And then you can actually search for me. You hit on search, and then you see my profile. Okay, so alternatively, if you're already following me and I am following you, what you do is you click on the profile tab, the one which is in the bottom right corner, this one here. So you click it, and then you make sure you click where it says followers. Let the figures pop up. Let the figures pop up. So when you click followers, it will actually show you the people whom you're following and those who are following you. So you see my profile pop up. So just click my profile pic, and you see the other details here. So you swipe up, and then you see my family, and that's the one there, Elisha's Empire. So you simply click apply, and then you click join at the bottom there, and I will need to approve on my end, and then you'll be in. I will be making money together. Don't hesitate, go ahead and do likewise, so that together we may win.